What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you this really gorgeous Delta faucet I just installed in my bathroom. I love the sleek, clean lines of it. You can see it's got a really nice little base here with a little bit of a bulb and this really cool trumpet-shaped handle. The movement of it is really easy, nice and smooth. I also love the widespread feature here where you can have your 2 taps and then your faucet here. The shape of the faucet I think is really sleek and cool. Now you can get this in a couple different finishes. This one here is the chrome finish and it cleans up like a dream. All you have to do is use a cloth and a little bit of vinegar-based cleaner and it cleans up so nice. I love how classy it is on my counter and I really think it upgrades the look of my bathroom to something that's very classic and chic and simple, and I'm really happy with it. If you're looking for a nice upgrade for your bathroom, this beautiful chrome Delta faucet is definitely one to consider, and it is a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.